Hello, welcome back to another beautiful short hairstyles inspiration from the stable of short hair chic. If you are in love with your natural hair, pull your cushion, relax, grab a popcorn. If you're wearing a face cap, turn it all the way back, because we are about to blow your mind. Look at the styles. Oh my God, it celebrates freedom. It exonerates you from all manner of captivity. It makes you feel welcome. In a world full of chaos, you stand out from the crowd. You are iconic. You are a beauty to behold. You are splendid. You are a personification of beauty when you rock any of these hairstyles. We are breaking to you. We say this because this is how the women who rock the styles feels. They feel like, wow, I feel like I've just entered in the next chapter of my life. I feel like I've just entered the next page of my life. I feel like I'm in a new world. My new self. Elevated. Inspirational. Motivated. Now I can flaunt it because I've got it. I can rock it because I've got it. But what if you're still rocking your old hair? Will you sound like any of this women? Oh no, you won't. So that's why we're encouraging. Please switch it up, alright? Switch it up. Change your hairstyle. Pick one or two from this video. Try to watch to the end so that you can see a style that you would pick. Alright? Because these styles have to give you a new leaf, a new chapter of your life. Making you to fall in love with yourself over and over again. Alright? So, we all want you to remain blessed. Thank you if you have just discovered this channel. Remember to hit the red subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, we really do appreciate you. That's why we hype you guys here. We hype you all a lot. We hype you a lot because we believe in you. We believe that, yes, you need to be celebrated. Your beauty needs to be celebrated. Your confidence needs to be celebrated. And your decision to go low needs to be appreciated and recognized. Thank you once more for making time to share these few minutes with us here in Short Hair Chic. Till we come your way again, remain blessed. Bye.